Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, then a sub to the channel would be nice. Today we're diving into a topic that affects every aspect of your health, your gut. Did you know your gut is often called your second brain? It's not just about digestion, it's about immunity, mood, energy, and so much more. We're gonna break down some incredible foods that can help you achieve optimal gut health. We're talking about the power players, the gut-healing superstars that can make a real difference in how you feel. So stick around as we explore the importance of gut health, the best foods to nourish your gut. Let's get started. Let's talk about yogurt. It's not just a tasty snack or breakfast option, it's actually packed with probiotics. You know, those good bacteria that your gut absolutely loves. And when your gut is happy, you're happy. But here's the thing, not all yogurts are created equal. You want to look for plain, unsweetened yogurt to get the most bang for your buck. Those flavored ones can be loaded with sugar, which can actually throw your gut bacteria out of whack. Probiotics help maintain a healthy balance of good and bad bacteria in your gut. They help with digestion, nutrient absorption, and even support your immune system. Incorporating a serving or two of plain, unsweetened yogurt into your daily diet can make a big difference. You can add it to smoothies, use it as a base for dressings and dips, or just enjoy it with some fresh fruit and a drizzle of honey. Remember, a healthy gut starts with the right fuel. Alright guys, let's talk about kefir. Now you might be thinking, kefir, what in the world is kefir? Well, let me tell you, it's like yogurt's cooler, more powerful cousin. Kefir is a fermented drink that's packed with an even wider array of probiotics than yogurt. We're talking a diverse army of good bacteria, all ready to fight for your gut health. One of the things that makes kefir so special is that it contains certain types of probiotics that yogurt doesn't. You can easily incorporate it into your diet by adding it to smoothies or using it as a base for creamy dressings and sauces. If you're looking to really give your gut a boost, kefir is definitely worth adding to your shopping list. Let's turn up the heat and talk about kimchi. This spicy Korean staple is not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your gut health. Kimchi is essentially fermented cabbage that's loaded with probiotics, fiber, and a whole host of other nutrients. The fermentation process is what gives kimchi its signature tangy flavor, and more importantly, its incredible probiotic power. The probiotics in kimchi can help improve digestion, boost your immune system, and even contribute to a healthier gut microbiome. Plus, kimchi is also a great source of fiber, which is essential for keeping things moving along smoothly in your digestive tract. It's a versatile ingredient that can be added to stir-fries, rice bowls, sandwiches, and even scrambled eggs. A little bit goes a long way in terms of flavor, so start with small amounts and see how you like it. Let's talk about sauerkraut. Now I know what you might be thinking. Sauerkraut? That stuff that comes on hot dogs? But hold on. Sauerkraut is actually a nutritional powerhouse, especially when it comes to gut health. Sauerkraut is basically fermented cabbage. That's right, cabbage that's gone through a process called lacto-fermentation, which gives it that tangy flavor and creates those gut-loving probiotics. Those probiotics are like little superheroes for your gut. They help to balance out the good and bad bacteria in there, promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Sauerkraut is also a great source of fiber, which is super important for keeping things moving along smoothly in your digestive system. You can enjoy it on a hot dog, but why stop there? Add it to sandwiches, salads, or even use it as a topping for soups. Okay folks, let's talk about garlic. Now I know some of you might be thinking garlic, but it gives me bad breath. And while that might be true, the benefits of garlic, especially for your gut, far outweigh any temporary inconvenience. Garlic is considered a prebiotic, which means it acts as food for the good bacteria in your gut. When you consume prebiotics like garlic, you're essentially giving your gut bacteria a hearty meal. This helps them grow and multiply, creating a more diverse and balanced gut microbiome. Garlic also contains compounds that have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help keep harmful bacteria in check and reduce inflammation in the gut. Add it to stir-fries, soups, stews, sauces, you name it. Just remember that a little goes a long way, especially when it comes to raw garlic. So, how can you incorporate more garlic into your diet? The possibilities are endless. We're going to talk about a fruit that's not only delicious and convenient but also incredibly beneficial for your gut health. The humble banana. Bananas are an excellent source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in your gut. This gel helps to slow down digestion, which can be helpful for regulating blood sugar levels and promoting regular bowel movements. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, doesn't dissolve in water. Instead, it adds bulk to your stool, which helps to keep things moving along smoothly through your digestive tract. Bananas are also a good source of prebiotics, those non-digestible fibers that act as food for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. You can enjoy them on their own, slice them up on your cereal or oatmeal, add them to smoothies, or even use them in baking. So how can you incorporate more bananas into your diet? They're incredibly versatile. Let's talk about asparagus. Now, I know asparagus might not be the first food that comes to mind when you think of gut health, but trust me on this one, it's a true prebiotic powerhouse. Asparagus is packed with a type of prebiotic fiber called inulin. Inulin is a non-digestible fiber, which means it passes through your small intestine undigested and makes its way to your large intestine, where it acts as food for the beneficial bacteria that reside there. Those beneficial bacteria are essential for a healthy gut. They help to break down food, produce vitamins, support your immune system, and even play a role in regulating your mood. Inulin has been shown to promote the growth of beneficial bacteria like bifidobacteria and lactobacilli, while also inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria. You can grill it, roast it, sauté it, steam it, or even enjoy it raw in salads. So how can you incorporate more asparagus into your diet? It's a versatile vegetable that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. Let's talk about bone broth. Now, bone broth isn't exactly a new kid on the block. In fact, it's been used for centuries as a nourishing and healing food. Bone broth is made by simmering animal bones, cartilage, and connective tissues for an extended period, usually anywhere from 8 to 24 hours. This slow cooking process extracts valuable nutrients from the bones, including collagen, gelatin, amino acids, and minerals. Collagen plays a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of your gut lining. Gelatin has a soothing effect on the gut lining and can help to reduce inflammation. Bone broth also contains amino acids, which are essential for cell growth and repair. You can sip on it as a warm, comforting beverage, use it as a base for soups and stews, or even add it to sauces and gravies for an extra boost of flavor and nutrition. Let's talk about chia seeds. These tiny seeds pack a serious nutritional punch and offer some impressive gut health benefits. Chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber absorbs water in your gut, forming a gel-like substance that helps to slow down digestion and promote regular bowel movements. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, which helps to keep things moving along smoothly through your digestive tract. Chia seeds are also a good source of prebiotics, those non-digestible fibers that act as food for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. They're also a plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects in the gut. You can add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or even sprinkle them on salads. So how can you incorporate more chia seeds into your diet? They're incredibly versatile. Let's talk about berries. These little nutritional powerhouses are not only bursting with flavor but also packed with gut-healthy benefits. Berries are an excellent source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in your gut. This gel helps to slow down digestion, which can be helpful for regulating blood sugar levels and promoting regular bowel movements. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, which helps to keep things moving along smoothly through your digestive tract. Berries are also loaded with antioxidants, which are compounds that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. By consuming antioxidant-rich foods like berries, you can help to reduce inflammation and support a healthy gut microbiome. So how can you incorporate more berries into your diet? They're incredibly versatile. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful for improving your gut health. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Let me know in the comments which of these gut-friendly foods you'll be adding to your meals. Taking care of your gut is one of the best things you can do for your overall health and well-being. So go ahead and give your gut some love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a gut health boost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.